We tend to assume everybody understands the remote. So let me just show you the basics that you need to understand it. So this one is power on and power off. So let's look at the TV right now. If you press this one, the TV is on. So if you press it, it will power off. Just like that. So that's power on and power off. And then you let it until this LED turns on. It means it's off, but inside here it's on, so it means the electricity is on, but it has been turned off. So with that, let's move to the next one. By the way, this is a TV guard. It ensures that the charge flowing is balanced, so it doesn't roast my TV, and the TV is very expensive, so it's better to buy a TV guard. So let's move to the next. So this one is for power on and power off. So power on. So now this one is for muting the sound. So let's check. Let's turn on YouTube. By the way, YouTube, this one is for YouTube. For this remote, there's a shortcut for YouTube and for Netflix. So I use YouTube so much. So let's play some video. And let's mute it. To mute it, you just... It's muted. You see it's even showing here that it's muted. Just basically it. So to exit this screen, you just press this one, exit. Just see it. Exit, just like that. Then to move sideways, I've gotten used to it, so I may not explain some things. If you want to move to the side, you move this way. You want to move downwards, you move downward, upwards. It's so simple once you understand it. I know the first time I bought a TV, I was so confused. So someone might be confused out there, and I want to help them. If you want to go home, you just press this one and it brings it to the home screen, just like that. And then if you are playing music playlist, you can play this one next. And this one, I know you may not use it that much. You know, the more you use it, the more you will understand it. This is volume up. Let's press volume. You see, volume is going up. This is volume down.
The Bluetooth device is
the bad thing is that my TV here uses the same infrared with so the infrared interferes with my Hoover. So I have to long press it to avoid issues, but in your TV you may not have to long press it. So I just long press it like this. So I long press this minus. Yeah, if you want to increase, just like that. And then what is the other one? Channel up, channel down. I don't think you will use those ones so much. I want to show you just the ones that you will use so much. Sleep, you can sleep your computer. Sleep time, or you turn on the sleep time of 15 minutes. Off sleep time. I don't know. It will sleep later. So, but that's just for sleep. You can set sleep and whatever. Then I think those are the basic ones that you need actually. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.